Alright. Hi everyone. Today we're opening a All Survive Boys! Alright! I was following this guy, Zoey. You didn't see. I don't know. I think it might take a while to open. I would love to open it off camera, but I wouldn't. Alright, I'll just open it up and not do it off camera. That's what I was thinking of. For real. No way, said it. Oh my god, I just want to get through this layer now and open up all loud. Should I pop it? I want to pop it, but I can't until I get to the last layer. Ah. Oh, I ain't get most layers. Very hard to open. Here we go. And a little row and a bigger row. Oh my god. We got our message. It looks like dress up. Maybe. That's what it says. Alright. I'm gonna just get to the next thing. Or you can comment once I'm 13 or older. You can comment what it is, okay? What it is. I'll just show it to camera. Oh my god, it's sticking to it. I don't know how it sticks. There you go. This is magic! This is magic! What are they doing? What are they thinking of? Oh my god. I want to get to the last layer. Oh my god. I want to. There's only 2 boy LOLs I have. Oh, that's magic. I just did a second magic. I just did a second magic. Oh, it's a blue ball again. Could this mean I get the same one or a different one? I don't know. Maybe when you get a pink, it might be a rare. Ah. It's a new one. I wonder if it's a rare. Oh my god. They did bad with the ball. It looks like it's opened. Oh my. I'm doing really bad with this opening. Not me. Oh, just the cat. So, I guess I just say that. Just the cat. Alright. We need it out of here, and I'm gonna put this layer. Oh my, I just put another magic trick. Oh my god, this one is the shoes. New shoes coming. New shoes. Yeah, they're black. They're new. Yes. Come to me, my friend. My new owl. Come to me. And don't forget to watch until we get the doll. You know? We get to do that. I just popped it open. I shouldn't throw it there. I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh my god. I think there's no trash in the background. Oh, that's almost fell. To death! Just kidding. Alright, get the shirt out! Alright, that's our stuff. It's maybe a chef or something. to comment who it is. Okay? Make sure to like and subscribe so it will come. If you don't like and subscribe, the LOL is gone for life. Let's open it up. And it's here, you subscribe! Yay! To get that fastest, I saw what it was, so I opened it. Now, let's get the next thing out. You can't see us, so you won't be able to see it on camera. Which I think I know who it is. I haven't even got it yet. And it's a boy. It looks like a girl kind of, but with the ponytail it looks like a girl, but it's actually a boy. It's just a little palm. Some boys have it, I guess. Yes, if you're sure. Looks like a chef. It's a chef. I think it is a chef. Or it's a worker. It's a chef or a worker. I don't know. It's maybe a color changer, I think. Wow! It's blue. Oh, this is a magic like LOL. Okay. Let's see. He's in a cloud. I wonder who it is. Oh! It's a popular. There's two people that popular there? And two people that are fancy? Oh my god. There's a ultra rare and there's a rare and I really want the rare. I just hate it. When you don't get rares, it's like so sad. When you don't get rares. It's like so sad. Alright, I'm gonna put on the shoes. Even if it's very hard. Put them on. If you can't put them on, maybe put a like. If you can't put them on, subscribe to the channel to be the member. Yeah. I like people that subscribe, okay? This is actually It Boy. So you're gonna turn on the glasses. 2. Hello.